With over 350 studies at CFData, how do you find exactly what you need? It's pretty easy with our search tools. First, start on our homepage. You can type your search terms directly into the search box or use the Find Data option under the Data drop-down menu. Not sure what search terms to use? You can find a list of suggested search terms on the Find Data page, click on List All Datasets, or keep the search field blank and click on the Search button. When typing in search terms, you don't have to worry about capitalization. It is not case sensitive. This will search everything related to the datasets, including variable descriptions. You will notice that this pulls up not only datasets, but also data-related publications, variables, and series. To narrow or broaden the search, you can use quotes for an exact phrase, the minus sign to remove specific terms from the results, and there's no need for asterisks. The search automatically includes all versions of a term. For instance, child would include children or childhood. The search results are organized by studies. To see summary information, toggle Summaries to Visible. Toggle to Hidden to see only the study title, data producer, and date released. Results are sorted by study relevance, but this can be changed. Sometimes a search pulls up a lot of studies. How do you narrow it down? This is when you can use our filter tool. As you can see, there are quite a few filters you can use. For example, the subject terms filter is a great tool. Every study in our collection is tagged with multiple subject terms that capture aspects of the dataset. This means you can select one or more subject terms to view all studies tagged with those terms. You'll notice a number in parentheses. This number indicates how many studies are tagged with those terms. The more terms you select, the shorter the list of studies that match all of the terms. To remove terms, click the X. Other filters offered include data format, data type, time period, restriction type, author, mode of data collection, recent releases. So now, what about series? Series are two or more related studies with different data collection periods. They can be longitudinal or repeated cross-sectional and can be compared or analyzed together. Let me show you an example. I'm going to select the Child Care and Development Fund Policies Database series. This page will list all studies associated with this series. Here, you can view and resort associated studies, variables, and publications within the series. Use the Refine search box to search with your own term across the series, or click on More Options to get to the filters to narrow down the list of studies within the series. Next, let's take a look at the Publications tab. Here you can find publications that have used the archived datasets. Publications can include journal articles, government reports, audio-visual materials, theses, and more. The legend at the top shows you what kind of publication it is. You can search by study, author, or topic areas. Let's look at an example. If we search for dual language, we get over 30 publications on the topic. We can use the filters on the left to filter by publication year, publication type, journal, author, or studies that have publication citations in our bibliography. If you want to get a link to what studies were cited in the publication, make sure to toggle Related Studies Series to Visible. The results are sorted by relevance, but as always, that can be changed. Now that you've learned how to search for data and publications on CFData's website, make sure you stay up to date on all new data releases, updated studies, upcoming webinars and data trainings, our seasonal newsletter, and more by subscribing to our email list. And remember, the CFData team is here to help you. Email us at any time using the address cfdata-help@umich.edu.